So I've just enabled the Wi-Fi connectivity with the unit, and the cool thing is there's a little Wi-Fi adapter that goes in there. You can connect it through an app to your Wi-Fi, and then you can control this all remotely. So when I get up in the morning, I can hit that I want to set the temperature for out here, and by the time I have breakfast and come out here, it should be nice and cooled down. The other nice thing is that you can set schedules. So if I've already got a schedule set for 8 p.m. every night, this thing goes off, so we're not wasting energy throughout the night while nobody's out.